Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make waffle batter at home. Creating delicious waffles from scratch is easier than you might think, and it's a fantastic way to enjoy a warm, comforting breakfast. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your ingredients to mixing them perfectly. Get ready to impress your family and friends with homemade waffles that are crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey. For our batter, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 5 cups of milk, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferred for tender waffles. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles, so be gentle. Once your batter is mixed, let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax and the baking powder to activate, resulting in a lighter, fluffier waffle. While it rests, preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. A properly heated iron ensures a crispy exterior. When pouring, use approximately 1/2 cup of batter per waffle, depending on your iron size. Avoid overfilling to prevent spills and ensure even cooking. If you have any leftover batter, you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Just give it a gentle stir before using. Cooked waffles can also be frozen and reheated in a toaster or oven for a quick breakfast later. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade waffles with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.